Yeah, Jibin. Yes, now I think you understood about this element of a matrix. Element of a matrix means I through jth column we should find and we should write the element. Okay. Now, yeah. Now one more word. 3, 2, 6. Number of elements in matrix. Number of elements in matrix. So this is also very important. Number of elements. Number of elements is different again, Malli. Number of elements means in matrix how many elements? See, suppose if you have a matrix like A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know how many elements? Clearly 6 elements. This is a small matrix that we are able to telling number of elements. If you have big matrix, how we can say that is there is one more way to find the number of elements. This is clearly the order is 3 cross sorry 2 cross 3, 2 rows 3 columns. So 2 cross 3 is the order of this matrix. Then the number of elements, the number of elements of matrix A is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So like that we can write the number of elements of any matrix. Of any matrix we can write. That is the multiplication of the number of rows and number of columns. 2 into 3, 6. Suppose 2 cross 2, 2 2 is 4. Suppose 3 cross 3, 3 3 is 9. Suppose 5 cross 10, 5 5 is 10. 5 cross 10, 5 10 is 15. Like that we should write the number of elements in the matrix. Number of elements in the matrix we can write. Okay. Now I'm going to start one more, that is just a second. Just a second. Yeah, that is notation for the elements of a matrix. Already I told you that is notation. Notation for the matrix. For the elements, elements of a matrix. Of a matrix. I gave you already. Once again, here we have one definition, definition word. That's why I'm giving you. Suppose if you have A is equal to all elements, you will get A, small a. Always remember the capital number, I mean alphabets for the name, and the small alphabets as elements. A, 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 A. But what is this element? I gave you already the notation. A is equal to A is equal to A I J with M cross n order. Remember this is here M cross n means order of the matrix. Ij means row j, ith row jth column element. Okay, ij k ij means suppose if you have to take this element, then you have to write there 1 1 first row first column. If you have to take this element, first row, this is in first row, you have to write always first row, then column, second column, A12 element this is. And this is first row, but third column. And this is second row, A2, and first column, 1. And this is second row and second column, A22. And this is second row, third column. And this is third row, first column, and this is third row but second column, and this is third row, third column, third row, third column. I think you understood how we will give the name for element. So is there any doubt in this? You have to tell me now. Is there any doubt? This is first row, this is second row, and this is third row, and this is first column, and this is second column, and this is third column. Now tell me please, any doubt? Any doubt? If you have
No,
no
sir.
doubt, tell me,
No,
then no, I will give you one matrix and I will ask you. No doubt, ah?
no, sir.
No.
Yes. No. Nana, okay kada?
Okay.
Now be ready, Lucky. A is equal to 7 minus 4, 3, 9, 0, 1. So I'm writing rows. This is the first row, and this is the second row, and this is the first column, and this is the second column, and this is the third column. So 3 columns, 2 rows. Yeah. Tell me, Lucky, what is the
Sir,
order?
can't see it properly.
Yeah. Sorry. Thank you. Now see, this is a matrix, minus 7 minus 4, 3, 9, 0, 1. The first row, second row, first column, second column, third column. Now tell me, Lucky, what is the order of A? Order of A is what? Order of A. The formula is M cross N. Tell me, what is the order? Chappa Lucky. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Nava?
Hmm.
Cheppu, order cheppu. ఇంతకు చెప్పావుగా.
2 cross 3.
2 cross 3. Very good. 2 cross 3. Yes. Next. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah. Next, tell me, what is the element A11?
7.
7. What is the element A22? Be careful. I'm not asking in order. 2, 2. This is in the form of Aij notation. Capital A is equal to Aij with the bracket M cross N. I means row, J means column. 2, 2 is what?
O.
O
0.
ఉంటారా numbers లో? 0.
0. 0.
0. Very good. Now, yours time Jibin, what is A21?
Sir, 9, sir.
Very good. A12 is what, Jibin?
-4, sir. -4.
-4. Very nice. A13 is what, Jibin?
Sir, 3, sir.
3. A31 is what, Jibin?
Sir, not given.
Very good, very good, very good. 31 is not given. Up to 2 no, that is 2, 3. What is A23?
1, sir.
1. Very nice. You are giving nice answers. Okay. So this is about the element in a matrix. Okay. Understood up to here? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Now one more definition I will give you, that is, yeah, that is diagonal elements of a matrix. Diagonal elements. Very easy. Idi kuda. Diagonal elements. Elements of a matrix. Of a matrix. Diagonal elements of a matrix. Diagonal means, already suppose this is a square, then this is one diagonal, this is one diagonal. Already the meaning of diagonal. But here in the matrix, we have only one diagonal. Two diagonals we have, but one diagonal we have to consider, that is a principal diagonal. Which diagonal, this one or this one, I will tell you. That is, see, suppose if you take the matrix A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, which is a matrix row 1, row 2, row 3, column 1, column 2, column 3. This is a matrix which I am taking as example. Suppose this is a rectangle, these two are the diagonals. Okay. Now, here also we have two diagonals. If you observe, see, this is one diagonal. This is also one diagonal. This is one diagonal. This is one diagonal. But we should take always from starting onwards to ending. This diagonal we have to take, and this diagonal is called principal diagonal. Principal diagonal. Further, we have the definition also. Okay. Uh, in a given matrix, in a given matrix, in a given matrix, listen carefully. In a given matrix, in a given matrix, 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3. I mean 1 comma 1 means first row first column. This one. 2 comma 2 means second row second column. 3 comma 3 means third row third column. What elements we have in these places are called diagonal elements. Are called diagonal elements. Diagonal elements of the matrix. Of the matrix. Okay. I think you understood. Any doubt? Any doubt about diagonal matrix? You have to tell me the answer for the question which I will give you now.
No, sir.
No, Lucky.
No.
No. Diagonal elements means you should count like this, not this. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Now, for example, I am giving one matrix. A is equal to 357, 268, minus 1, 6, 25. This is a matrix. Lucky, what are the diagonal elements, Lucky?
3, 6, 25.
So we should write like this. Diagonal elements. Okay, and Jibin, she's saying that 3, 6, 25. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then tell me, Jibin, what is A11, Jibin?
A11 is 3, sir.
What is A22, Jibin?
A22 is 6, sir.
What is A33, Jibin?
25.
25. Can we take a 2, 3 as the element of diagonal?
No, sir.
No. Why? Because this is not in the diagonal elements, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So these are called diagonal elements, and we should write like this: A11, 2, 2, 3, 3. If you have big matrix, you will get A4, 4, A5, 5 like that also. And tell me, Jibin, what is the order of this?
Sir, 3 by 3, sir.
Yeah, 3 cross 3. 3 cross 3, which is a square matrix. If you observe 3 rows, 3 columns, then that is called square matrix. Further, we have the definition also, square matrix definition. Very important, that square matrix we use mostly that only. So up to diagonal elements I gave you, and you should be perfect in these. Then we will discuss some special types of matrix, and every definition is very important. You should remember. But after this, I will give you, and after that we have transpose of matrix. Now, yeah, now I will give you homework for finding order. For finding order, just a second. And one more bit also there, that is classify. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, first bit only you can do. Second bit you can't. Why? Because those we didn't explain. Okay, so up to here, I think you understood. Now I will give homework on this only. Okay, na? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Okay.
just wait. Okay, one more question I will give you, and one question also I will give as homework. One question only. That listen, which type question already you know, that is construction. Yeah, construct. Next page I will give you. So after this I will close. This will take I think only 2 minutes. Yeah, construct a 2 cross 3 matrix. A 2 cross 3 means 2 rows 3 columns. 2 cross 3 matrix whose elements whose whose elements aij aij whose elements aij are given are given by aij is equal to very easy 3i minus j 3i minus j 3i minus j. Okay, so first of all, just forget this. Which order is given 2 cross 3? 2 cross 3 means 2 rows 3 columns, right? 2 rows 3 columns. So 3 columns 2 rows. So this is a11 exist, a12 exist, a13 exist, a21 exist, a22 exist, a23 exist. Is there any doubt by constructing this? Let this is the matrix. Why? Because here given 2 cross 3. Now this is clearly 2 cross 3. Now we have to find a11 what, a12 what, a13 what, a21 what, a22 what, a23 what. To find those elements here given this notation. So now I am using that. Given aij is equal to 3i minus j. Now I am finding a11. Now I am finding a11. Just to follow me. A11 is 1 1 means I1 J1. Substitute 3 into 1 minus 1. 3 into 1 minus 1. Why? Because A11 1. This one is I, this one is J. I am substituting in place of I1 in place of J1. Now this we can write 3 1 ja 3 minus 1 2. Next A12 is equal to 3 into I means 1. This only I. 2 means J minus 2 is equal to, that is 3 1 ja 3 2 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. And again a13 we required a13, that is what, 3 into I means 1 minus j means 3, that is 3 1 ja 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. First 3 completed, again more 3 there, that I am writing here a21, that is here 3 into I means 2 now, that is 3 into 2 minus 1, j means 1, that is 3 2 just 6 minus 1 5. Now a22 is equal to 3 into I means 2 minus j means again 2, 3 2 ja 6 and 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Again a23, that is 3 into I means 2 minus j means 3. So that is equal to 3 to just 6 minus 3 is 3. So now we find all values of this matrix with order 2 cross 3 with this notation. Now just write all values in place of a11 is 2 and a12 is 1 and a13 is 0 and a21 is 5 and a22 is 4 and a23 is 3. This is a matrix. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Lucky?
No.
No. So ఈ మోడల్ క్వశ్చన్ నేను ఒకటి హోంవర్క్ ఇస్తా, ఓకేనా?
Okay.
సాల్వ్ చేయాలి మరి.
Hmm.
తర్వాత ఆర్డర్ ఫైండ్ చేయాలి. అంటే m క్రాస్ n ఎన్ని రోస్ ఉన్నాయి ఎన్ని కాలమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి క్వశ్చన్ కూడా ఒకటి హోంవర్క్ ఇస్తూ చేయాలి. ఓకే,
ఓకే.
అదొక బిట్ ఇదొకటి. సో లాస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ కాదు ఇది, ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయట్లేదు. a is equal to 10, ఇది ఒక మ్యాట్రిక్స్. దీని ఆర్డర్ ఏంటో చెప్తారా? వాట్ ఈస్ ఆర్డర్?
సార్ 1 into 1.
1 into 1. Why? Because 1 row 1 column, 1 cross 1. Very good. So I'm closing the meeting now and I will send pics. నేను ఫోటో తీసి పంపిస్తా ఏవి చేయాలో, and practice those only. And if you have any doubt you can ask me anytime. Okay, yeah, thank you. నేను పంపిస్తా చూడండి. Thank you.